jail. Well, what do you do when you're in a car wreck? From a fender bender to a severe accident, there are things you need to do to protect yourself and your family. And this morning we have a brand new segment called Legal Lowdown, where we're going to sit down with an attorney each week from Pryor, Priest, and Harber. We have Pryor here with us today. Thanks so much for coming in.
Yeah, good morning.
So we're going to be discussing all types of topics each week on this segment, but today we wanted to focus on car wrecks. So we all know that when we get in an accident, even if it's a fender bender, we probably need to call the police first. But what should we do after that?
Well, you're talking about two types of car wrecks, one with injury, one without. Property damage accidents, fender benders, a lot of us have been in those. Busted paint, broken glass, those type of things are easy to fix, but injury is different. When you're talking about a car wreck, we've got cell phones these days in our cars. Take pictures. Take photographs of the damage, the scene of the accident, the parties involved. We tell our clients to keep a diary afterwards of injuries they suffer, problems that they have. So there's a lot of things that you can do.
Yeah, so it's not just call the police and exchange information anymore. Those, of course, are still important, but these extra steps that you can take, that's going to make it a little bit easier. Absolutely.
You're going to exchange insurance information, those type of things. Those are very common. You've got a card in your car that has your insurance information if you're following the law.
Right, absolutely. Okay, so also if we are talking about an injury-related accident, there are a lot of other host of issues that can come up afterwards.
Yes.
Talk about some of those.
Well, serious problems in your personal life. You're missing work. Medical bills are accumulating. You're suffering. And insurance companies who are protecting the driver who caused your injury are at work. They're working. And you're at home with your family trying to get better. So when you're injured in a car wreck, in addition to missing work, you could have permanent disabilities, and it's going to be very important for you to find somebody to help you.
So how do you know when it's time to hire an attorney?
Well, when you're injured. You know, a lot of people don't understand that the process is complicated. You're going to have adjusters from insurance companies, from your insurance company, their insurance company, calling you. You're going to have medical bills. Your medical insurance is going to have to be reimbursed from what you recover in the accident. So in addition to making sure you're properly compensated, a lawyer handles all of those phone calls, communications, and they and their staff handle that for you.
Yeah, and that's what you do, you said, on a daily basis.
Every day. Every
day you're handling cases like this. So how do you go about selecting an attorney? I mean, obviously, you would say, hey, come to us.
Hey, come to me.
Yeah.
Well, we're bombarded, aren't we? With commercials, billboards, phone book covers. Do your research. You know, you wouldn't necessarily hire a doctor off a billboard. Look for experience, peer ratings. There are lots of Martindale Hubbell, City View Magazine, peer, that is lawyers rating lawyers. Most important, interview your lawyer. Are you talking to a real lawyer, or are you talking to staff members all day? I mean, that's very, very important to interview.
So you say go ahead and just ask them any question that you have. Make sure that, you know, they're put on the spot and you have every question you have answered before you hire them.
Get in their office and meet them. That is the most important thing.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Pryor, for joining us. We appreciate this. This is our new segment, Legal Lowdown. You see their information right there on your screen. Pryor, Priest, and Harber on Gay Street. All right. We'll be right back.